Today, we will go over how to read the following pattern. All of these instructions are common instructions you'll see in Amigurumi patterns. The number in the brackets at the end tell you how many stitches should be in that row or round. You should use it to keep track and make sure you've done the correct number of stitches. MR is short for magic ring. This is the basic starting stitch of most amigurumi. There are two methods to creating the magic ring: the standard default method and an alternative that is easier for beginners. I have a video in my beginner crochet stitch tutorials playlist that goes over how to do the alternative. SC6 means 6 single crochet stitches. Putting this together, this means crochet 6 single crochet stitches into the magic ring. Here's a tip I didn't know when I first got started. The magic ring is just the name of the loop itself. Though many beginner patterns will tell you to do 6 single crochet stitches, you can have any number of stitches or different stitches entirely. For example, you might be told to crochet 3 single crochet stitches, or you may be told to crochet 6 half double crochet stitches. The X or asterisks both mean multiplied by. So increase multiplied by 6 means crochet an increased stitch 6 times. This instruction tends to trip up a lot of beginners. Let's break it down step by step. First, commas are used to tell you that the stitch instructions it separates are crocheted into separate stitches. So for example, SC, SC, SC means single crochet into 3 separate stitches. Next, you repeat everything inside the parentheses by the number of times indicated by the multiplication symbol. So putting it together, this means do a single crochet stitch, then do an increase stitch. Repeat this sequence 5 more times for 6 total sequences. Note, some pattern writers use brackets instead of parentheses. They function in the same way. This next row repeats a lot of the same concepts of the previous one, but adds one new concept, SC2. SC2 means 2 single crochet stitches. You should note, though, that pattern writers can be inconsistent about whether they write this out as SC2 or 2SC. Check the specific pattern. This last instruction puts all of these concepts together. Here, SC3 means 3 single crochet stitches in a row. This time, we will be multiplying the sequence inside the parentheses 5 times, and the increase SC increase finish off the round.